Hi to everyone. Today we will discuss about this string and declare and initialize a string variable. In last video we will discussed about the array and one dimensional array, two dimensional array, all those. Now we will discuss about this string. If before watching video, don't skip this video. Watch till end of the video. And if you are watching first time, subscribe our channel. Let's start the string. String means what? A sequence of characters. A string is a sequence of characters. Sequence of characters terminated with null character. Terminated with null character. Null character is like this: / and 0, terminated with null character. Sequence of characters, and at the end of the characters it should have the end of the string, it should have null character. It is known as a string. For example, we are giving Warangal, W A R N. This is the Warangal. For R, for A, N, G, A and L. This is a string, and at the end of the string it should have the null character. It is known as the string. This is called as the string. The sequence of characters terminated with the null character is known as a string. Now we will see declare of a string. How we will declare? String topic is very important question for diploma and BTech students. You should compulsory prepare string topic before going to exam. Now we will see declare a string. How we will declare a string? Char, string name and size. Size of a string. Char, like string means characters. So we are giving char, string name of the string, size. How much characters we have to given here, size. Now we will see example for this. Example, char, string name I am giving name. Next size. Size is 20. This is declaration of a string. In the string we can use special characters like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. All those are used in these special characters. Should not use integers, but we can use digits and these special characters in this string. Now we will see initialization of a string variable. Initialize a string variable. Now we will see string variable. How we can initialize? Similar to the declaring of a string. Some of the difference is there. That is char. Char means character. Char. Next string name of the string. Next size, and next we have to give list of characters. Or we can initialize like this manner, or we can initialize like this. Char, string name, size. Next, denoted by double quotes. List of characters. we can denote it by like open brace and close brace between this list of characters. Otherwise, we can denote it by double quotes. This is the process of initialization. Now we will see example. Example for initialization. Char, same char, string name and giving name. Next size up to 20. And next list of characters. I am giving Warangal. Warangal. This is the string. Okay, now denoted by double quotes. While to compile time, we have to write like this: string character name. String name is name up to 20 size and string list of characters. Now we will see memory representation where the characters are stored. For example, we are taking welcome. We are taking welcome is the example. Char. Next string name is string str. Size is up to 10. Next we are giving W, welcome W. We have to write the letters separately. Welcome, VEL, single quotes. Next COME, welcome. In characters, we have to write the separate letters. In string, we have to write the with double quotes like this. Welcome. In characters, this is the string. This is characters. Separate denoted with characters are denoted with single quotes. String is denoted with double quotes. Next, at the end of this string, we have to give null character. This is the process of string. Okay, na? Characters. Now we will see memory location. Memory location of a characters. For this, we will take the memory location. 0. It will start with 0. In 0, W. Next, 1. And 1, E, L, COME. 4, 5, 6. At the end, null character. We have to give null character. W is stored in, memory is stored in 0. E is stored in 1 place, 1 location. 2. In the 2, L is stored. C, 3 is stored. 4 is stored 0. O, M is stored in 5. E is stored in 6. And null character. We had here 7 is stored in null character. This is the memory representation for a characters. This is the process for string. Now we will see example program to print characters of a string and address of each variable. Now we will see asterisk include studio.h standard input output header file, and next asterisk include conio.h console input output header file. Void main function open brace. Next character name is char name, size is 20. Up to 20 only we can give this string. More than 20 we cannot take the string. It will comes the error in system. Now we will see India. India is less than the 20 characters. Next integer I is equals to 0. Next clear screen while, we are using while loop. Name I, size is I, this I if not equals to null character. Next open brace printf character %d control. Next I name is size is I. Next printf address we have to find percentage u and m. Next I increment. Next close. Get char is nothing but get character. It reads this single characters it can read. Next close. Now we will see output for this program. In every programming language we have to write the one syntax and one program, so that we can get more marks in exams like semester exams or entrance exams. It is very, very important. Okay, now we will see output for this program. What is the output? Character 0. First is 0. Next I. For 0 I, India is first letter, so I. And next address for 0. For I is located in 0. Address value is 6457552. This is address. In this address I is located. Okay na? Next character 1 India. Next letter is N. Next address, next 1. In this also same. Address is next 553. Next space it is located. Is stored. N is stored. Memory location N is stored in 53. Last. Next character 2 India. After letter is D. Next address of 2. Next is 54. It is D is located, stored. Address of the D is 54. Okay na? Next character 3 and next after D I. Address I is stored in 55. I is stored. Next 4. Character number 4 India A. Again A. A is located in 56. Okay na? A is located in 56 address. India. This is the output for this program. If you are watching first time, subscribe our channel and click on bell icon and share this video. Okay na? Support our channel. In next video we can meet. Thank you.